Welcome everyone. I'm joined today by Goran from MOBILISIS. Goran, how are you doing?
Fine, thanks.
Could you please introduce yourself and to MOBILISIS?
Yeah, so MOBILISIS is a Croatian company, roughly 16 years old, and from day one we are basically dealing with innovative solutions, and we develop our own products in a way of devices and software products for mainly traffic solutions. From that, we have since 10 years ago, we have two different verticals. One is fleet management, in which we are a regional leader, and one is traffic management, mainly based on the parking systems and solutions. I'm Goran, I'm Chief Operative Officer and one of the co-founders of MOBILISIS.
So I thought we would focus on the parking application and market that you guys are involved in. Could you tell me a bit more on the products that you have for this space?
Yes, we started with development of parking sensors in a way of sensors that detect parking spot occupancy. We are in that business for roughly 10 years. First, we started with wired sensors that were installed above the ground, below the ground, and today we are offering battery-operated sensors which need no infrastructure and are connected to the internet via MBIT network.
And there are other applications as well that you're involved with in parking, other solutions?
Yes, so above the products in a way of parking sensors, so we offer the complete turnkey solution for the end customers with cloud platform for all the parking management and devices management, and of course mobile application for the end users with which you can navigate to free parking space. You can use the application even for payments in some projects, and we are developing a special system which could the ID of the parker and eventually pay the parking automatically.
And so how would you say you stand out within the industry as a solution provider?
Yeah, so our parking sensors were always known as the most precise in a way of detection because we used our patented technology of dual magnetometers. With our new product, we also added a radar system, so this accuracy goes even up a few percent, and we can say that basically our sensor is one of the most precise on the market. And this was basically driven by the thought of using the sensor as automatic parking payment and detection. And if you go to automatic payment, you have to be very precise. On the other hand, we are one of the pioneers in MBIT connection technology, so we spent a lot of time and invested a lot of development in securing that the sensor really is battery operated for 5 to 7 years.
So are there any projects that you'd like to highlight then that really showcase this accuracy and longevity of the products?
Yes, one of our biggest projects is in Dubrovnik in Croatia, where we installed more than 2,000 sensors. Dubrovnik was very good project because it's a very complicated city in a way of parking. The streets are very narrow. The configuration of the town is very difficult for a good signal reception of the MBIT network. So we really struggled there at the time, but today this is one of I would say even best showcases in the Europe regarding parking sensors and parking systems.
Now, I understand you've come out with a new parking sensor. Could you tell me a bit more about that?
Yes, new parking sensor is a little different from our previous products in a way that previous products could be installed directly below the ground and were not visible to the from the outside. Our new sensor is a little mushroom shaped, so there is a small part of the sensor out. But this is due to better connection, and this is due to a possibility of connecting to customers' mobile phone and automatic detection. Yeah.
So looking ahead to the future then and the developments for MOBILISIS, where are things headed?
Yeah, so we are constantly improving our whole parking platform and our parking application together with basically developing and improving the product itself, the parking sensor. What we want to achieve in the future is really automatic identification of the parker, connected to municipality, connected to everybody else that is in the parking business, together with parking operators. And we are building a system that could integrate all the parties included.
Well, Goran, is there anything else that you would like to add?
Yeah, so we would like to premiere this new sensor, which is released now in November. We will premiere it on the Intertraffic Amsterdam next year, and I'm inviting all the parties that are interested that they visit us, they test the technology and see how it really works. Yeah?
Thank you for the interview, Goran. Thank you for joining today, and yeah, look forward to seeing more of your parking sensors around the world.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Thank you everyone for joining. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.